Good afternoon, everybody. This is Doug from Darkwater North. We're going to take a quick look at the Kershaw Shuffle. It's a nice little pocket knife that's affordable and convenient for a number of reasons. We'll take a look at that in a little bit. But Kershaw, it's a long-standing company, good knife-making company, designed in the USA but made in China. And there you have it, KershawKnives.com, and this is the Shuffle. And yeah, that's what I paid for it up here in Canada, Canadian dollars. It's not cheap. But anyway, it's a handy little knife with these I put a Robertson in here up in Canada. We have a lot of those square screws and fasteners, and the Phillips number 2. Those are probably the most convenient ones to carry for me. And I replaced the Kershaw payload with this little one. I'll try it out for a while. It's got some nice jimping on the back spine of the blade here for force, and you know, if you're going to use it for some cutting, of course, you got some good traction there. With the grooved handle and the choil here, it's really a comfortable little knife that stays in place in your hand. You're not going to ride up on it. If you want to come back here, you can. It has the dual thumb studs, which are now I guess illegal here in Canada, which is pathetic. But needless to say, I mean, whatever, I don't really care. I mean, it's just foolishness, but all you can do is laugh at it. So here you go, you got a bottle opener here and a place to hold these two bits. And if you put this out here, there you go. It's got a little magnetic thing in here and holds it in place. And, you know, once the blade's in, of course, you can use it for, you know, a screwdriver, which is really handy. There's a nice little lanyard hold here. And I suppose if you put the flat bit in here, you could use this for kind of a pry bar too, a wide one. But that is a standard size, and you will fit pretty much any bit you could find in here. Here, for instance, is the T6 torque. Even though it has those little ball bearing springs in there, fits in there just fine. And these are T6 torques on here as well. It has this plastic handle with a clip, and that's tipped down. That's the only configuration you can have. This just pulls out of here, and you can carry 2 bits in the little holsters on the side. Like I was saying, you know, dual studs, jimping on the spine of the blade, a nice choil, some grooved here to make it stay in place in your hand. Nice liner here, which is doubles as a bottle opener, a lanyard hole, a nice clip. It's really solid. It's not deep carry, but it's very solid. And you have your liner lock. This comes down here. It's got a little bit of a edge on it there. Catch your thumb. It's affordable. It's convenient. It's a small knife, like I can cover it up in my hand completely. It's relatively convenient and discreet, which in a lot of cases you want to be. You'd be surprised at how many people get upset over a little pocket knife. So, you know, why flash it in their face or whatever. These little T6s here are, you know, like I say, in there solid and can be adjusted at will. It's a nice affordable blade. The blade is about 2.5 inches long. The overall length of the knife is 5 3/4 by the looks of things. As you can see here, and the blade, like I say, 2.5. The steel is that, let's see here. Here we go. 8CR13 MOV. It's a Chinese stainless steel that is adequate Nothing spectacular, you know, it'll do. It's affordable, let's say. If it was made of anything else, you'd be paying a lot more money for it. So that's convenient. I'd say it only weighs, several ounces. I don't think it mentions it on the box. But needless to say, affordable, convenient, and well made. Kershaw doesn't make garbage. So that's nice to see, and it just opens up quickly with the thumb stud there, which in Canada won't be around much longer. I could barely find one at Canadian Tire. At this sports store they had a few, but once they're sold out, you won't be seeing the thumb stud here in Canada anymore. So I don't know what they're going to do about Spyderco and the way their blades open, But there you have it, the Kershaw Shuffle DIY, do-it-yourself. Very convenient, nice little knife, good for an EDC. And, I'll leave a link in the description where you can, or some information anyway, and the stats about the rest of it. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Take care out there and stay safe. Bye for now. Doug from Darkwater North saying bye.